Okay, guys. Just walked up on this one. Looks like you got your serrations. You've got a corner broke off right there, and unfortunately the tips gone, but you got some serrations on the side. Like right here, I might have chopped in right here too. Right there. Little bank looks pretty good out through here. A little bit of sand, a little bit of gravel. Right here, right under my daggone feet. Another big chunk. Chunky chunk. Right here, a little piece. It's just everywhere. So you know that's a good sign. What we got here, guys? Check this out. Oh wow, look at that. That's a very small point. Babe, I got another one. Another one? Yes, another one. It's one of the smallest points I think I've found. Dang it. That's why you always look at the chunks, guys. Because you never know. It don't have to be huge. Even out in this little washed out stuff here. Let's see here. A little chunk right here. Nope. That part of the fire. Somebody had a fire. Ooh, what we got here, guys? What do we have here? Dang it. Wait a minute. Ooh, I don't know. That might be one too.
It is.
I got a confirmation, guys. It is. Yeah, it's got an ear on it right there and there.
Sorry, I didn't know you was videoing.
Yeah, dang.
But I can look at it from here and tell because it's got ears on it.
Okay, guys. Well, let's get to finding some here and I'll get back with you in just a minute. See you.